Hello everyone. Till now, we have studied few concepts of Python. In this session, we will learn few examples. It will be a sort of revision of all the topics we studied till now. The first basic example is to convert Celsius degree to Fahrenheit. So, we know that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Here, we will write a program that converts boiling and freezing water points from Celsius into Fahrenheit scale. First, we will declare two variables. One is boil and other is freeze. Above that, we will write a command. You can write a command in Python using a hash symbol. So, whatever you write after hash is a command and it's never executed. Here, we will write a command that we are defining variables. Now, we will convert boiling temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Formula to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit is Celsius degree multiplied by 9 by 5 and then plus 32. Here we will write TB equal to boil into 9 by 5 plus 32. TB stores the value of boiling point of water in Fahrenheit. It's just a variable name. You can change the way you want. Let's print the value of temperature in Fahrenheit like this. Now, we will convert freezing temperature using the same formula as above. Here, we will declare a variable TF to store the freezing temperature in Fahrenheit. And then we will print the value. Let's run the program and this is our output. Well, this was a simple Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion program. You can practice many more examples like this. You can find lists of all the examples in this URL. But remember that logic is very important. As a programmer, you have to write the logic, or you can even say that we have to give the logic to the computers. Then it will perform our task. Now we will practice one more example to calculate simple interest and the net amount payable. We all have studied this. Let's see how to calculate the simple interest in Python. To calculate the simple interest, the formula is amount lent, that is principal amount multiplied by the rate of interest per annum and then multiplied by the period in years. All this is divided by 100 like this. After calculating simple interest, we also need to calculate the total amount payable. The formula for this is principal amount plus simple interest. Let's start writing code for this. First, we will accept the amount lent by using the input function like this. Remember that since the input function's value is always a string, we will have to convert that into float like this. Similarly, we will write input statement to accept the period and then we will accept the rate of interest per year like this. After the input is accepted, we will write a formula to calculate the simple interest like this. After simple interest, we will calculate the amount payable like this and then you can print the output using the print statement like this. Let's execute the program. We will enter the value as 50,000 and then enter the period as 5 years. Then enter the rate of interest in percent as 8. And this is our output. Here we need to understand one essential thing, that our computer will perform all the tasks, but we have to give the logic. Computer output depends on the knowledge of the programmer. So please focus on the logic. I hope you got a detailed insight into writing computer program. We will make many more examples in the coming session. Till then, please keep practicing. Thanks a lot.